Optonum helps manufacturers plan, simulate, and improve production. Ask with AI chat, see with insights, and act with AI agents you approve first. This is one running, a real factory model, 18 machines, 3 lines, 10 open orders. Deciding where to spend money here is industrial engineering, a luxury most small factories cannot buy. So they decide on a spreadsheet and a hunch. Here are the 4 agents and what each one computes. Monte Carlo and theory of constraints for the bottleneck. Economic order quantity for procurement. Priority weighted dispatching for scheduling. Statistical process control for quality. Watch what happens when I run them. This is not generating text. It is reading the plant as it is right now and running Monte Carlo simulations. That is why it takes a moment. 4 agents scanned, 3 proposals, and 2 said no action needed. They do not invent work to look busy. Here is the constraint, the 5-axis machining center at 100% utilization, and read what it concluded. A physical equipment constraint that operator reassignment alone cannot relieve. That is not a guess. Moving an operator was simulated first, and it made things worse, because the station you take that operator from becomes the new constraint. Gemini wrote the sentence. The simulation decided it. Throughput goes from 25.3 to 26.4 units an hour, and utilization on that machine drops to 47%, and it prices itself $150 an hour to run, so every extra unit has to clear 140 in margin. That is the number that lets a plant manager take this to a board. A different agent, a different decision. Gear hob cutters are at 0, below the reorder point. It computed the order quantity, picked the supplier, priced it at $34,000, and drafted the purchase order. Now look at what has not happened. Nothing ordered, nothing changed. Every proposal is a change request a human approves. And the panel says projected impact, not value delivered, because nothing has measured the result yet. You can also just ask. It answers from this factory's data, the line, the station, the numbers. And ask it something it cannot see, and it says so instead of filling the gap with a plausible number. And every morning it ranks what the plant should look at. Sorted into apply now, needs approval, or park as an investment. Underneath it is a real operating layer. Change a material price once and every product using it updates. Simulation in the browser. 4 agents proposing, a human approving. 30 modules from planning to quality, reading 7 kinds of factory differently, at a price a small plant can actually pay. That is Optonum. And when it tells you to spend money, you can check the maths.